because Ken's representing the Northwest and I'm representing the Northeast. I'm from Hull, as Bradley said. And this poem, this extra one that I've chucked in for you, is about coming from Hull. It's about coming from a place that is by the river, by the sea, and then coming to Birmingham and living in Birmingham and loving Birmingham and being like, why are there so many freaking seagulls here? So this is a poem about that, and it's inspired by the poem Sea Fever. I hear them first. Now through the grey morning mist I see how they wheel overhead. White sails, no ships, over the concrete cliffs of the Queensway. I watch them skim the wind. Want to ask them, why are you here? You can't hear the call of the running tide this far inland. Careening over 6 platters and last night's litter, they fling a box of chips like white spume from a wave, crying like the drunk who dropped them. Some fly back to city skyline nests, still keening. Do their wing shadows miss the backdrop of waves? Do their voices miss the rhythm of the sea? Even those that are not born there, their gleeking tongues echo the of me inching my lonely body into the North Sea. Or the loving pat slap pat of the boats on the marina. Or the drumming roll of the swollen humber, my skin salt or silt sheened. I listen to their fading yows, their kyows, their breathless ha-ha-has, their clear call, wild call, why did you come here so far inland? Thank you. I'm on Instagram, I guess. I'm on Instagram, plug, at Sazmagaz. Yeah, and I post about what I'm doing. It'd be love to just chat with you and connect with you as well. And yeah, I'm excited to hear some more amazing open micers. I'm so glad that I got to follow Ken, who absolutely smashed it, and really, yeah, it's been an absolute joy sharing some of my old favourites and new stuff with you. And I'm going to leave you on a short poem. I thought it'd be nice to end. We started this set with a short poem. We're going to end with a short poem. And this is about carrying on, whatever that means to you. And it's called Sunrise. The land feels it. On the hip of its hills, the prickle of grass, the flicker of a bird, the smoking of its streams into light, thin as sleep before waking, feels breath on its cheek. Stretches, slides lakes into meadows, rises trees like hushes waves, pulls its buried bones from the hollows it dug to hide in a millennia ago. The land lays out its body for the morning breath and thinks, go on then, one more day. Thank you very much.
Give it up one more time for Sarah!